through the door, DX Radio Shop knows what you're looking for. From the wiring to the antenna up high, every connection gets a careful eye. No cutting corners, no halfway job. They put in the work and give it all they've got. Install right, tune right. Install right, tune right. Making every radio perform just right. Clean workmanship from start to end. The kind of service you can recommend. CB or ham, whatever you run, great looking installs and performance that's strong. Need a repair, they'll track it down. Find that problem that's been hanging around. Test every circuit, check every line. Get that radio performing fine. When the bench lights glow and the meters come alive, that's when you know your radio's gonna thrive. Install right, tune right. Install right, tune right. Making every radio perform just right. Clean workmanship from start to end. The kind of service you can recommend. From installation day to the final test, DX Radio Shop puts every job to the test. A clean install makes a difference you can hear. A proper repair brings your confidence near. Skill and experience behind every connection. Quality work is the only direction. Keeping those airwaves sounding clear and bright. Great repairs and installations too. Everything they do when you want performance that's clean and strong. DX Radio Shop is where you're ready.